Really slow, but it's gonna get better.
No, it's better to do that because then.
Yeah, because then it lasts almost, Oh yeah.
Going up.
I'm getting that plane ready for faster. That's why. It's a giant scale. It's 80-something inches.
Yeah.
Because I can't fly any of this stuff there.
It looks better with the bigger stuff.
Yeah.
Taxi it out.
It's actually smart they do that because they don't want like tiny planes floating around there.
Oh, they fly tiny planes too. Robert always.
Remember the thing we bought for $13? We called it the Dinky.
Take it off.
Yeah.
China cleared.
2015
Low pass after takeoff.
Gear up, flaps up.
Past couple years we just went and watched to see if you actually fly.
Who's that?
Downwind low pass after.
Oh, somebody's coming in.
Oh, he is.
I think, or is Robert already down?
No, Robert's in the air.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Gear down. Gear up.
It is. Feels good.
I know. I love this weather.
Low pass.
Dion, let's blow it up and get in.
I can barely see. I go from a big yellow plane like this. I can't. My fan sounds like a vacuum.
Coming to you guys.
Oh, I got to land, guys. Landing. Landing.
Alright, I'm gonna low pass while he's landing.
I'm low pass with you.
It's just kind of.
See if I can keep up with Nate.
I'm not even full.
This thing's fast.
Alright, clear. That thing is fast.
I'm actually thinking about getting another one because it's so dang fast.
Alright, here, I'll open it up. Alright, I gotta land, guys.
Alright, go on.
Oh yeah, go ahead, you're fine.
Everybody land at once.
Hey, I'll go to the other side of the center line, Rand. You stay closest.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Nice, Rand. Very nice.
That's good, sir.
Robert, we're on the left side of the center line.
All the way to the end of the left.
Oh shit! There you go. Nope, stop. Who, me?
No, Robert.
Oh, Robert does. Yeah, he's got a JP. Touch and go.
Gear down, landing flaps. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Flaps up. Gear up. 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Touch and go.
Flaps up. Gear up. Landing flaps. Gear
Touch and go. Okay, full stop landing. I'm landing right now. I'll give you the whole runway. Just let me come. You're good. Stay there. Stay there.
1 minute over. Flaps up, gear down.
All right, Ricky, all you. Joe loves that plane. He has fun with that plane.
You going?